Hi boys and girls. Today's learning goal is, I can describe the overall story structure in Alexander, who used to be rich last Sunday. We are going to be filling in this graphic organizer that you see here. It's a sequence of events chart. At the top, where the title is, I wrote Alexander, who used to be rich last Sunday. In the characters box, I wrote Alexander, David, Anthony, Nikki, and his mom. In the setting, I wrote Alexander's town. You will need to fill this in your graphic organizer as well. Let's look at how the author organized the sequence of events in this section of Alexander's story. We know Alexander got $1 from his grandparents at the beginning of the story. I'm going to write in the first box, Alexander was rich, because that was the first event. What you are going to do is you are going to use the next box to write what Alexander did next with his money. Then you're going to write what else Alexander did with his money in the then box. And last, you're going to summarize Alexander's finances by the end of the section of the story. You will write that down here in the last box. Submit your assignment when you are finished.